everyone, you are watching my channel Jenny Live Live. Today another day I have brought a new challenge for all generation, that is Surya Namaskar challenge. You can say also Sun Salutation. Sun Salutation is a sequence of 12 powerful yoga postures. So before starting this Sun Salutation or Surya Namaskar, first I want to share the benefits of Surya Namaskar. It promotes overall flexibility. Psychologically, it regulates the interconnected of body, breath and mind. It helps to keep you disease-free and healthy, improves blood circulation and tones the spine, neck, shoulder, arms, hands, wrist, back and leg muscle. So you can see how effective this exercise. You might see several types of how to practice Sun Salutation, but I will suggest you to stick one particular types of Sun Salutation. Each of the Sun Salutation's 12 yoga postures have very different benefits. It can give perfect flexibility to the body and no other exercise can be compared with these Sun Salutations. One important thing, if you have back problem or high blood pressure, please consult with your doctor before doing this. So without wasting your time, please follow me. I will tell you step by step how to do Sun Salutations. Turn straight with prayer pose. Breathe in, stretch your both arms over your ears, more stretch to back. Your face should stay between your hands and your both knees should be locked. Breathing out, take your both arms forward and come to down and keep your back flat as much as possible. Make sure your foot should stay between both your palms. Breathe in and push your right leg as far back as possible. Bring your right knees to the floor and keep your foot relaxed. Slowly look up. As you do this, your left leg bends at the knee in a 90-degree angle. Lift your foot, exhale and step your left leg back to form a high plank pose. Here as you can see my both foot's posture. In this plank, keep your hip back and your face should be parallel. From plank pose, take your chest, chin, knees down on the mat. Chest and chin just touch to the floor. The elbows are bent, the hips stay up. Inhale and lift the chest and head to get into a back bend. As much as you can lift your body in this position, the body below the navel remains pressed down into the mat. Keep your foot relaxed position. Exhale and lift the hip and chest downwards in an inverted V posture. Keep the heel on the ground and should be toward your face like this position. Inhale, bring your right foot forward in between the two hands and left knee down to the floor and look up. In this position, make a gentle push the hips down towards the floor. Keep your foot relaxed and again your right leg should be 90-degree. Change your foot position and exhale. Bring the left foot forward. Try to keep the palms on the floor. It will take more time to keep your both palms on the floor. Keep breathing. Your both knees should be locked. In your first time, you can bend your knees for your comfort. Inhale, hands go up and bend backward as you have done earlier. Exhale and straighten your body slowly and bring your arms back to front and do prayer pose. Surya Namaskar is best done early in the morning with your empty stomach, or you can do in the evening time. Again you start with your left leg same like your right leg, what you have done before. During this Surya Namaskar, ensure that which leg you are taking first to backward, that leg again you have to take front. When you are moving your posture, always try to correct your alignment or your posture. Every posture you should do very good way and your breathing also proper way. Important thing, in your first day practice it will not happen. So after 2-3 days it will be definitely perfect. So that's all. Please subscribe Jenny Live Live. If you like it, like, share, subscribe my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon button and click on all so that you can get notifications.